Okay, so we are installing printers today on Windows and Mac both. First thing that you're gonna do is you're gonna find the IP address of a printer if it's on a network. If it's not a network, then you're probably installing the printer using a cable, a USB cable. For that, you just need to connect the USB cable. If the drivers need to be updated, then it will probably automatically install the driver for you as well, um, if the internet is connected. For printers that are on a network, let's say you're in an office or you're in a university or a company, most of the printers are on a network. So you need to go and find the IP address of the network printer. And the way you can do it is you can go on Google, type the model number of the printer, and it will tell you how you can extract the IP address of the printer. For most printers, you have to go into the network settings in the IPv4, and then you can print the user data. I will show you how it looks like. So this is how it looks like on most of the printer. When you print the user data, you're gonna see an IP address, this one. For this printer, it's 10.8.16.9. So that's the IP address of the printer. Moreover, we need the model number, and the model number is usually on the top. It's IR80B 400 printer here. For most printers, the model number and the type of printer, it's just labeled on the printer, so you can just take a picture of that. And after you have the IP address, we're gonna go to the search box and we're gonna type printer and scanners. Open it. Fax, usually deleted. Nobody uses fax. I usually delete and remove devices that we don't use in normal day-to-day. I'll leave this one. So you have to click on the add printer or scanner. You need to click on printer that is not listed. Will open up a window. You'll click on add printer using IP address. Click next. Select TCP IP. And type the IP address of the printer, which in my case is 10.8.16.9. Okay, and go to next. Okay, so here you install the drivers of the printer. On most computers, drivers are already installed on the machine, the generic ones, but they don't work always. So you have to go on Google and you need to find the drivers. So for Canon IR80B 400 driver, just need to type that, go to their main website, select software and drivers, and you need to download this and extract it. I already have it, so I'm not gonna download it. Once you download it, go back to this window, click on hard disk. You can click on browse, and these are usually in the downloads folder. For Canon printers, when you extract them, they go into the download folder. For HP printers, they're usually in the C drive. So for Canon you're gonna go into the downloads here. For HP printers, they usually install on the C drive, so you'll see the the drivers there. Let me just download it for the sake of it. Yeah, so I'm going to extract it. See, it goes to the downloads. So you can extract it. And when I go to downloads here, you can see generic drivers. Click on it, click drivers, open the folder, and that's where your driver is. So you need to select it, open it, click OK. Go to next. That's where you can name the printer. You can name it Canon printer, whatever you want. Go to next, and that's when it's going to install the printer. Process is very similar for Mac, but the interface is different. So I'm gonna also include the Mac option also. For this one, you probably don't want to share the printer, so you just click on do not share this printer and click next. For testing purposes, you can print the test page and finish. And that's how you install the printer on a Windows machine. If you do have any questions, ask me. Don't have my email, so put it in the comments. If I see, I'll answer it. If not, then Google.